This is a video presentation of the Haas VF4. Got a side mount tool changer. Overall, the weight covers and everything look really nice. We'll start with showing you the debug hours, just so you have those. Servo time 8824, motion 6022, and spindle 5937. Does have the remote jog handle. We'll go ahead and do a tool change. Perfect. Alright, next we will go. I did warm up the spindle. It's 2,000 RPMs. Let's go to 4. I'll bring it up a little bit from there. And we'll take it down from there. Okay. Next what we'll do is jog it through its paces. Go with Z. See if we can speed up the feed right here. There we go. Everything looks good there. We'll go ahead and do the coolant up and down. And we'll go ahead and do the chip auger. And that's functioning very nicely. Okay. Looks like it's got quite a few of the tool racks here, which is really nice. We do have the shipping bracket. Looks like it's coming with an extra switch there. And we have the foot pads. There's a coolant tank and the chip chute, so that's all there. Got a 2015 horsepower vector drive, 4th axis ready, so the wiring and everything is there. Let's see here, and then we got. I'll confirm the serial number on the outside, but we do have a 7,500 RPM brushless, 1 megabyte extended memory. It does have P-Cool quick code, and it does have the 4th axis brushless, as I mentioned, Y delta, macro, coordination scaling, rigid tap. We have that going there. Everything looks really nice in here, clean. And we'll get the serial number. Serial number is 30952, manufactured in 2003. And then there's the 4th axis, the brushless 4th axis there. It looks like it's got a tool holder there to get your disposables in and out. This machine overall looks really nice. It does have the manual. It's got a floppy. But this concludes the video presentation of the 2003 Haas VF4.